So we want to spend a little longer than a few days to really get a grasp of the battery life and the performance on this guy. This is the Pixel 3a XL. We got this while we were out in I/O. We're gonna let you know why this is the best phone you can pick up for $400. This is the Pixel 3 XL. This is the Pixel 3a XL. So we got notch, no notch. So of course, being notchless, you go from dual front-facing cameras to one, which is fine. It's still the same cameras from the Pixel 3s. We'll get to that later on as well. You got the headphone jack, which we already know. Now they went from dual front-facing to just a stereo, one front-facing, one bottom-firing speaker. Let's give you a quick taste on what that sounds like. Now, so for the part everybody wants to know, how's the overall performance, especially with that 670 Snapdragon processor inside. So everybody's like mid-range, oh boy, mid-range, and you know, flagship Snapdragons having issues. What is this mid-range gonna do? Well, mid-range do just fine. For the most part, the only issues you would probably come across, that I've come across, and maybe a few other people I've talked to have come across, that, you know, maybe open apps a bit slower, scrolling a little bit slower, extra second or two to process photos, doing like HDR+. You can handle multitasking and gaming without really any real issues. We know that the Pixel 3 has had issues in regards to memory management and different things that may have been rectified with turning off digital well-being. I haven't turned it off here on the Pixel 3a XL, and it's been running pretty good so far. So of course we'll have to follow up and revisit this and let you know if that changes. So the 3a, as opposed to the regular Pixel 3, gets bigger batteries. So at the XL version, this has a 3700 milliamp battery as opposed to a 3430 milliamp battery in the regular Pixel 3 XL. I'm still getting great performance on the battery side. Any differences in the cameras? No, not at all. Still has a great machine learning and results to process. It may just take an extra second to get to it, but you still have it. You got portrait mode. You have the newly announced time-lapse mode, which is now in all versions of the Pixel 3. You're getting the same great camera. Google's went back to the Nexus days and providing putting a lot of good things in the phone at a better value. So shout out to those who still have the Nexus 5X and 6P, or even the Nexus 5. Google definitely defied the stigma of phones under $500 can't be great. Now that I've given you all the good news that you know that you can buy this if you're interested, do you buy this or do you wait a few months for the Pixel 4? That's the $1 million question. Also noteworthy is that unless something changes, Google will be continuing this A line moving forward. So this won't be a one-off. So hopefully the Pixel 4, Pixel 4 XL, and Pixel 4a, 4a XL. So if they don't get you that time, they're gonna try to get you with the A line. So let us know what you think. Did you pick one up? Are you planning on picking one up? Sound off below in the comments. We appreciate you for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. And see you in the next video. Peace.